You probably don't know this, but Play Store is actually keeping track of some of the activity in apps that you are doing or interest that you are interested in based on what you have been using before or apps. So here are two settings you can go in and simply just change or disable so that you won't be tracked that much. Let's get started. In the not so distant future, when you're ready to do this or check it out, go into the Play Store and assuming you are signed in, and of course, in order to use Play Store, you have to be signed in. So go into your icon or your avatar icon right here. As you tap on that, you'll see all these different options, and I want you to go to where it says Settings. As you enter into the Settings section, you'll see the general option found to the very top. As you go here now, you'll see these different set of options and settings. But as you go down, there is two rather interesting settings that you want to pay attention to. So app install optimization, before this was called something else different. So this one basically says it sends data to Google about which parts of an app you use, making it faster to install, all that stuff, right? But this also works in another way around. So you don't really need to have this on, so go ahead and disable this. Then finally, you got the interest. This is something that's gonna accumulate over time. For me, if you tap on it, you'll see that it says there are no interests to remove here. But for you, you'll most likely have some options, especially if you've been using that phone for a very long time or using Play Store for a very long time. You'll see some options here. And of course, you'll just select the games that you're interested in and also apps that you're interested in for this one here as well. And just go ahead and uncheck them. This way, the Play Store won't know exactly what you are interested in and stop suggesting you things. Okay, so if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.